Hello, I am Dr. Vivek Bharadwaj. We are going to discuss about the problems encountered by liver in poultry as well as in dairy cattle. When we talk about liver, liver is the most important organ in the body which has to maintain its normal level of performance, and since it is the only organ which has a capacity to regenerate if a maximum destruction is also being done, but at the same time it needs some support to perform better. It has several functions to perform, like liver detoxifications, which is carried out by hepatocytes present over the liver parenchyma. So what happens, these hepatocytes, they have some enzyme called cytochrome P450 mixed function oxidase. This enzyme, what it does, it reduces the toxins into less harmful substances, which are again converted into water soluble compounds and excreted out of the body. And it has other functions also to perform, like storage of vitamin A, secretion of bile, which helps in the fat emulsification and subsequent fat digestion and metabolism. But at the same time, this is under tremendous stress, and it is an organ which is working 24 hours in a day. If we talk about parasitic infestation, if we talk about vaccination, if we talk about food, mycotoxins, any sort of stress which is exposed or which is given to the birds leads to stress on liver. So this is very important, that how we can take the maximum care of the liver by some solutions which can be, of course, herbal in nature. So there are certain substances or ingredients present in naturally found herbs which take care of the hepatic cells. This is in the form of a regeneration of the cells, because daily or in early process the hepatic cells undergo degeneration and they have to be replenished by some healthy hepatic cells. So what actually happens to liver when it undergoes the metabolism? When suppose a feed is taken by the poultry bird or an animal, then it passes through various metabolic pathways and leads to formation of toxins, and these toxins enter into the liver through venal portal system, and maximum of the blood which enters into liver contains impurities. Nearly 75% of the blood which reaches liver is containing impure toxicities, which again in turn increases the load on liver. So therefore we have come up with certain solution to support liver and helps in better regeneration of the hepatic cells, which promise the better liver functions inside the body. So what will happen if liver is performing better? It will lead to better FCR, reduced feed consumption, efficient feed utilization, and in turn increased performance and productivity of the bird, which in turn leads to profitability of the farmers. So what are the various causative agents which lead to different kind of stress on liver? It can be a vaccination, it can be parasite infestation if we talk about Escherichia coli, or maybe Fasciola hepatica or Fasciola gigantea in case of large animals. These lead to some destroy and damage to the hepatic cells and hepatic parenchyma. Therefore the normal functions of the liver does not take place and lead to destroy and damage of the hepatic cells. So thus we need to ensure, in order to get better performance out of the best feed what we are giving to our birds or animals, we need to ensure that liver is healthy and it is performing at its maximum level. So this indicates the importance of liver in the organ as a whole. Thank you.